Good morning, children. Let's start with new chapter, that is lesson number 5, Food We Eat. We will cover this chapter in different parts. So this is part 1 for this chapter. First open page number 39. Food We Eat, lesson number 5. Children, we all eat food, different kinds of food. Some eat spicy food, some eat boiled food, some like homemade food, while some like street food or food from outside, right? So we all have like different types of food. We all have different tastes. We all like different kinds of food. Okay, now on page number 39, that is lesson number 5, food we eat. On you can see some pictures of food, like there are bread, eggs, grapes, rice, etc. You can see all those pictures, right? So what you have to do with those pictures, you have to circle the food items that you would like to eat, that you would like to eat. Okay, like for example, I have circled the food items, some food items that I like to eat. Like they are grapes, watermelon, cheese, orange, banana. Okay, same way you will circle all those food items which you like to eat. Got it? Okay. Now on the same page down, let's start with this chapter reading. We eat different kinds of food, that you already know that. Like we eat different kinds of food. But children, more important is that we eat right kind of food. Okay, we eat right kind of food. As written in your books, eating the right kind of food makes us strong and energetic. Makes us strong and energetic. Some people eat rice, bread, chapati, pulses, fruit, and vegetables. And you can see the pictures of all those things: fruits, vegetable, rice, chapati, pulses. You can see the pictures on your screen, right? Some people eat this kind of food, and some people eat eggs, fish, meat, non-vegetarian. Okay, so some eat rice, bread, chapatis, etc., and some eat eggs, fish, meat. Okay, so there are different kinds of people who like different kinds of food. Clear? Clear, children? Okay, next. Now we are clear with that we all eat different kinds of food, right? But do you know that why do we eat food? Why we need food? Why do we eat food? Let's know about it. Next page, that is page number 40. Read the first line. We need food to live and grow. Why we need food? We need food to live and grow. Without food, we can't survive. We need food to live. Is it clear? Clear, children? Now, what food gives us? Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy so that we can work, we can play, we can study. So it gives us so energy so that we can to work or to play. Okay? And good food keeps us healthy and fit. First is why we need food. We need food to live. It gives us energy. It gives us energy. And good food keeps us healthy and fit. Again, we can go through with these points. We all need food to live. Food helps us to grow. Food gives us energy to work and play. And good food keeps us healthy and strong and fit. Okay, children? So now next paragraph, first line is clear to everyone, I guess. Now next is babies drink only milk. Babies drink only milk. Babies drink only milk. And the young ones need food for growth and energy. Okay, we have already done this, that why we need food. We need food for to live or to grow. So the young ones need food for their growth and energy. So food like milk, pulses, egg, meat, fish, rice, wheat, butter, etc. An adult needs foods for energy. Adults also need food. We all eat food. Whether a child eat food or uh, adult eats food, young ones eat food, old ones eat food. We all eat food for energy. Adults also need food for energy, like they eat food like rice, wheat, bread, cheese, potatoes, butter, etc. So adult also need energy and young one also need energy for their growth and energy as well. So they eat these kind of foods like milk, pulses, wheat, bread, potatoes, fish, meat, etc. Okay, so we all eat food for energy and for the growth of the young ones. Young ones eat food for their growth. One more most important thing is both young ones and adults eat fresh fruits and vegetables. So they both need fruits and vegetables for their good health. And children, you should also eat lots of fruits and vegetables instead of that packet food. Okay, because fruits and vegetables are very good for our health. In school also we have one small break for having fruits, right? Now as you are all at home, please do eat fruits or vegetable regularly. Clear? Because it is very good for our health. Clear, children? Now next is old people. Old people also eat food, but it is always suggested or recommended that old people should take boiled food. They should not take very heavy food like very oily or spicy food. They should take boiled food. So if you are living with your grandparents like grandfather, grandmother, so you should suggest them, you should tell them that please eat boiled food, as they are very easily digest, and it's very good for their health. Instead of having the oily food or spicy food, they should have boiled food. Okay, so tell your grandparents, grandfather, grandmother that please eat boiled food, as it is very good for them. Okay, children, and they should also take milk and milk products. Your grandparents should also take milk and milk products, and not only grandparents, you also, your parents also should have to take milk and or milk products, as it is rich source of calcium, and calcium is very important for your bones, for healthy and strong bones. Okay, so everyone should take the 1 glass of milk or 2 glasses of milk a day, or milk products like cheese, butter, like that. So because it having a calcium, and calcium is very 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 important for our healthy and strong bones. Okay, so just see the picture of bones first. So you can see two picture of bone. One is strong one, other is weak. The strong one is smiling. Can you see the smiling? And it's showing his this arms, that he is very strong. And the weak one, sad, crying, right? Why first bone is strong? Because this bone drink milk regularly. So children, if you want your bones to be strong, and uh, your bones should be healthy or strong, so you should also drink milk every day. Okay, then your bones will also smile, like the first bone is smiling in the first picture. Otherwise your bone will be like the second bone, sad, weak. And also tell your grandparents or parents to have milk and milk products like curd, cheese, butter, etc. for the good health. And it is a rich source of milk is rich source of calcium, which is good for our bone. Okay. Okay, next is patience. Now, patience. If someone is not well, having fever, or like sometime you may fall sick, so who take cares of you? Your parents, right? Mother, father, right? At that time, doctor suggest that we should have light or liquid diet. We should not have some heavy or oily, spicy food. We should have very light and liquid diet. Liquid diet like soup or juice, soups like vegetable soup, chicken soup, or whatever recommended by doctor, juices like orange juice, carrot juice, etc. Or sometimes the doctor suggest khichdi or curd is dahi, right? They are very light food, yet in having enough nutritions. Although they are very light in foods, khichdi, dahi, but they are very good in nutrition, having enough nutrition. Okay, children. So one more time, just read the main points. We all need food to live. Food help us to grow. Food gives us energy. Food keeps us healthy and strong. And you will eat fruits and vegetable regularly, and milk also. You will have milk also, and you will suggest your parents and your grandparents also to please take milk regularly for your good or strong bones. Okay, children? So that's all for today. Now the topics which are left in this chapter: foods from plants and animal, raw and cooked food, meals we eat. So we will continue with this chapter in our next part. Okay, revise the chapter one more time. Thank you.